and welcome to Pashunath Finance News. I'm your host, bringing you today's key updates from global markets, corporate strategy, infrastructure, aviation, defense, and trade. Let's dive straight into the headlines. London-listed investment vehicle Golden Rock Global plc (GRG) has announced a definitive agreement to acquire SSS Matrix, a technology company specializing in smart safety and security solutions. Golden Rock Global, currently a shell investment company listed on the London Stock Exchange, aims to transform into an operating tech business through this acquisition. SSS Matrix focuses on smart safety, surveillance, and security technologies, applying advanced AI and digital systems for industrial, infrastructure, and public safety applications. The acquisition consideration will be paid through the issuance of new shares, with SSS Matrix management expected to join the enlarged company's board. As this is classified as a reverse takeover, trading of Golden Rock Global shares has been temporarily suspended pending regulatory approvals, due diligence, and the publication of a prospectus. If completed, this deal would mark a significant step into the growing smart safety and technology sector. Swiss-based building materials giant Holcim has announced plans for approximately 15 acquisitions globally in 2026. These acquisitions will focus on cement, aggregates, ready-mix concrete, and broader building materials, aiming to strengthen Holcim's regional market leadership and expand its global footprint. The strategy emphasizes both bolt-on acquisitions and regional players, reinforcing operational efficiency and sustainable growth. Investors view this as a sign of confidence in long-term construction and infrastructure demand, though integration and execution risks remain important to monitor. TikTok is reportedly planning a majority US-owned joint venture for its American operations, involving ByteDance and US investors. The move is aimed at preserving TikTok's operations in the US, addressing regulatory concerns around national security and data privacy. US investors would hold a majority stake, allowing TikTok to comply with potential regulatory requirements while maintaining operational control. This development highlights how geopolitics is shaping global tech operations, especially for platforms with cross-border data and user bases. Governments in the UK and international markets have announced a fresh round of consultancy and works tenders. Consultant tenders are valued at approximately $296 million. Works and construction-related tenders are worth around $25.8 million. These tenders cover infrastructure planning, public services advisory, engineering, and construction projects. For firms in consulting and EPC sectors, this signals strong opportunities for cross-border contracts and subcontracting, with a focus on both planning and on-ground execution. Several multi-billion-dollar infrastructure contracts have recently been awarded worldwide. Notable examples include the Riyadh Metro project and ADNOC EPCI contracts in the energy sector. These projects involve large-scale engineering, procurement, construction, and installation (EPCI), with participation from leading global contractors. The Riyadh Metro reflects investment in urban mobility and smart city infrastructure, while ADNOC contracts indicate ongoing energy capacity expansion and modernization. Magnetic MRO has opened a new aircraft maintenance hangar in Estonia, expanding its maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO capacity. The facility allows the company to service more aircraft simultaneously, secure additional long-term contracts, and strengthen Estonia as a regional aviation services hub. This expansion reflects rising demand for efficient and cost-effective aircraft maintenance across European and international carriers. Lockheed Martin has been awarded a $225 million contract by the US government for defense work. The contract includes advanced systems, manufacturing, and support services, strengthening Lockheed Martin's backlog and long-term relationship with US defense agencies. This award highlights sustained government spending on national security and technological capabilities, offering revenue stability for the company. Negotiations between India and the European Union are progressing rapidly toward the conclusion of a free trade agreement, FTA. The agreement would reduce tariffs, improve market access, and promote cross-border investment flows. Sectors expected to benefit include manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, automobiles, IT services, renewable energy, and infrastructure. The pact is likely to boost future contracts and bilateral trade, further strengthening economic ties between India and the EU. That wraps up today's Global Business and Finance Roundup. From corporate acquisitions and M&A strategies to multi-billion infrastructure projects, aviation expansions, defense contracts, and international trade agreements, there's a lot shaping markets worldwide. For the latest updates on finance, global contracts, and business strategy, stay tuned to Pashunath Finance News. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for daily insights. Thank you for watching.